What's up, everybody? You know, I'm Avis, and this is going to be a makeup tutorial. Also a hair install, which I already did a review on this hair, but it comes from the company called Euro. Okay, all the information to the hair will be below. I made this unit, and I am loving it. I am rocking it, and you guys know I am into my curly bob phases right now. I just love curly bob between this length and a little shorter. I've been rocking it out. And I'm also finna start dyeing, you know, coloring my bobs like I do with the curly color bobs look like me. But anyway, you guys, I did this full makeup tutorial for you guys from me arching my eyebrows as far as with the Nair. Okay, and then I did my brows, I did my whole eye look, lashes. Lashes are for my company. You can contact me below. The information will be below if you want to order these lashes. Super duper cute, right? Right. Okay. All right, you guys. Be sure to watch the video, and I will see you guys later. Peace. Hi, you guys. So as you see, you guys know I have a difficult time doing my makeup on camera versus me just doing it off camera, like in a mirror. So I still have to get used to doing my makeup on camera because I make mistakes. But anyway, as you see, the final look, it was flawless. Eyebrows super cute. But like I said, I'm gonna keep practicing doing it on camera, and I'll get better and better. So anyway, I just want to let you guys know that's fairly simple and easy. And just keep watching, and be sure to thumbs up the video. Let me know what you think about the video, everything between the new look, you know, for the new year and everything. So I'll see you guys towards the end. Bye.